Hi everyone, this is Kshitij, and on this channel we talk about robotics, research and academia. In today's short video we are discussing what is neuromorphic computing and why is it important for robotics. If you've not heard of neuromorphic computing, it's an exciting concept based off on the human brain. Unlike traditional computing and the hardware, neuromorphic systems, they mimic the way neurons work in a human brain. That's how they process information. They are designed to handle data more efficiently, especially when it comes to tasks like perception, decision making, and real time learning, which is very critical for a robot to operate in real time outdoors or in a field. What does this mean for robotics? First, it can make robots very fast because and energy efficient. So traditional algorithms take up a lot of resources, especially vision-based algorithms or lidar-based algorithms, for example. But neuromorphic chips can process the data in real time with much lower power. And we are also starting to see modern sensors, for example, event cameras, they fit well with neuromorphic hardware as opposed to traditional cameras. And second, neuromorphic systems, they excel at adapting to new environments. If a robot typically faces unforeseen circumstances, there's a good chance that it would fail depending on how well your algorithms can adapt. But this allows the robot to adapt much faster and makes it more agile. Think of a quadruped trying to walk on unknown terrain, and its controllers need to adapt on the fly. This would help. And finally, it can enable robots to get much closer to human-like intelligence or artificial general intelligence, AGI as it is known, responding to the world dynamics in intuitive ways, just like humans do as we grow and we pick up more experiences from life. So neuromorphic computing and the hardware is still developing, but it has a potential to make a significant impact on the robotics hardware and algorithms. Do comment down below if you've come across some really cool applications for neuromorphic computing and robotics.